I think this is a question which I ask many times myself because many people ask me that, Kirina, what kind of art you do or what style of paintings you make. And it's so difficult for me to categorize that because for me, my paintings and my art, they reflect my thoughts somewhere, what's going in my mind, and or maybe like after looking at something, I suddenly have this urge, I want to make something on these lines, and then I create my paintings or my artwork. So it can be anything at any point of time. I can say I create paintings and artworks for an ambience. Now, this ambience can be in a hotel, in an office, in a restaurant, in a living room, or in a corridor, anywhere. So I can say, like, when I walk into any space, my first thought is, what kind of painting will look good here? So what will go in with that in that space or with the energies of the person whose home or the office the particular space is about, and then my mind works. Okay, this is how this kind of work I'm going to do. I do commissioned work, so I customize also. Most of my artworks have been customized because when it comes to art, everyone has their own thoughts about it. Everybody has a specific liking about the kind of work they would like to see in their homes or offices. So I work around those lines. I sit with them and work with their ideas, and then I give them the whole design, and then I work on them. Sometimes, yes, they buy from what they see me doing, and so they will place an order or whatever it is. They can pick up the work or they can get it specified as per their likings. And yes, I do teach also because I believe when I teach, I learn more, because again, when people come to learn to me, they have that kind of comfort that whatever they want, they can come and they can learn from me. And I think that's how my teaching also goes in over there in my workshops or in my offline or online classes also, where I help people discover their creative spirit. You are engrossed in art. When you are with art, you lose everything else. It's so powerful. So just get out and discover that art in you, and everything will be a magic.